Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can create a circle video in CapCut for PC. Okay, I add these two video in my timeline and cut this extra part here. Now select my top video and go to mask, select circle mask. Now I adjust this circle. Okay. Now I need to change this circle position. So what to do? Go to basic and now you can change your circle video position. Okay. So friends, that's all for circle video making in CapCut for PC. Please subscribe my channel. I am a small content creator. Please support me. Thanks for watching.